To do this video to explain the difference between a node, a relation, a way, because I think a lot of people get confused. You can go to openstreetmap.org, do some reading there. It's essentially the same system. We use the OpenStreetMap geo-mapping system. It's pretty similar to Google Maps, but it's really good on mapping precise points and separating places in parts. If you were to target the National Mall, for example, so the National Mall is if you're not from the US, the National Mall is a group of monuments near the White House and the Capitol that have some, they have a lot of significance for America. The Lincoln Memorial is part of that mall. The Jefferson Memorial. It's really nice. It's a very nice place. But if you were to place an ad on the Lincoln Memorial, you could do it two ways. You could target the relation, the National Mall as a relation, and then place an ad there. The ad will just find all the ways, which are polygons that are inside that relation, and then rotate across those points of the relation. That's one way to do it. Another way to do it will be for you to find the Lincoln Memorial Way, which is that polygon that describes that monument, and place the ad there. And therefore it will be static. It will remain static on the Lincoln Memorial. So those are two ways of doing it. If you wanted to get even more precise, you could find the first node of the polygon that represents a Lincoln Memorial, and you could place your ad there. Obviously, that's it's very specific, but if the node described an entrance, the center of a place, if the node describes the commercial center of a state or of a city, then those nodes are good places to put ads and good places to use as an epicenter of ad or information distribution. So therefore, all three have a lot of use. Can use maps, ways, relations, and points or nodes. Now, ways are the main and the basic system of ad distribution that we use, because we have a billboard-based ad distribution system. So you need like a space to put the ad on, right? To put the letters on and to put the information in. So ways, they really carry very little collision, if any. So if you minted a way, it's very unlikely that there are more people that minted the same way. If you minted a relation, however, you're gonna enter into a collision with people that have ways inside your relation, other relations that may overlap with yours, but that's fine since relations are really generally very, very large areas. So you're most likely to get more ads. But if you minted a node, then the nodes have practically, we always have to say it that way, practically no collisions. So nodes, no collisions. Ways, very little collisions. Relations, a lot of collisions, but bigger, right? Ways, intermediate, medium level of collisions, medium size. Nodes, small size, small collisions. As time goes by, you will see more videos on this mapping as we prepare the documentation. Right now, you can see the videos that have already been prepared. If you go to, if you go to About and then click on Tutorials, right? The first or second video there will explain you everything about zoning, ways, relations, nodes, everything. It even has a section that explains what a collision is. If you wanted to know more, just head to openstreetmap.org, and then you can understand how the OpenStreetMap geomapping solution and system works. And we simply use that system to register land, to register points, and to register ways and relation. Okay. Yeah. So we finished the implementation of OSM on Bitfari. So now one of the biggest mapping systems of the planet. It's connected to the Bitcoin blockchain. So we are very happy of that achievement. And this is today's Victory Lab. Next week, Victory Lab will be about ads. We released a press release a couple of days ago. We're gonna tape the videos, we're gonna do the demos, and then I'll do the Victory Lab about ad distribution next week. Thank you so much.